Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now before I start this video, I just want to say happy Friday to everyone out there. I know this week might have been a very tiring week for you. It was definitely one for me, and definitely wishing all of you guys a happy weekend. Now in today's video, I'm actually very excited here because I'm going to show you guys an unboxing of the 11T Pro, and this is my personal unit that I bought at RM2299. So that's approximately $550 US, but you might have already seen a couple of my videos that I did on the 11T Pro right here. But like I said, I really love the device so much that I spent my own money and bought it for myself. So today we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the 11T Pro here. But what's really special about this unit is that this is the Celestial Blue colored unit. So I saw the launch on Facebook and YouTube and all that, but the video only showed a graphic image of the phone itself. So I'm actually very excited to see how the Celestial Blue version looks like in person. Now I did mention in my full review that the back panel here looks fine. It's just that it captures so much fingerprints, and definitely I prefer a much more matte kind of back cover. So I'm definitely excited to see that on my own personal 11T Pro right here. So as you can see now, we don't really have a table. I have one over here, but I'm just going to be unboxing this right in front of the camera so all of you guys can see what's in the box. So we're going to start off very quickly by first peeling off these plastics on the sides. Yes, I'm trying my best to show this to you guys at the same time, and we're going to unbox the 11T Pro. Alright, so first up, obviously you do get this, I think there's some manuals in here, so I'm trying not to drop the phone for the first time. We're going to remove this thing for now, and we're going to take out the phone very quickly right here, guys. Look at this. This is the 11T Pro in Celestial Blue. So I'm going to put that down for a second. We're going to see what else came in the box. Obviously, earlier on, you do get a very simple transparent case. What else came in the box? I'm sure we also have that super large 120 watt charger, which I'm trying to get out of the box right here. It's quite fit inside, and there we go. This is the 120 watt fast charger in the box. And last but not least, you also get your Type-C cable right here. Let me just pull off this thing so you can see the full cable in its full glory. Very cool stuff there. Alright guys, now the moment that we're waiting for. I have to come a little bit closer here so you can see the device here. We're going to unwrap this guy very quickly right now. Before I unwrap this device though, let's just check out a couple of specifications that you should probably know about this device. So on the front here, we can see that it comes with a 108 megapixel main sensor. It also comes with a 120 watt fast charge, 120 Hz AMOLED display, high refresh rate, and last but not least, it does come with the Snapdragon 888. Alright, now's the time. We're going to unwrap this guy. Ooh, looks really good. And of course, I'm going to remove that plastic sticker at the back there because it's just so hideous. We're going to peel that out very quickly. And there you go, guys. This is the 11T Pro in its Celestial Blue version. Very, very nice back here, guys. I think this is the best color that you should go for if you are considering getting the 11T Pro at all. Now, I'm just going to do a very quick side-by-side with the gray version right here. You guys can check it out. On the gray version, notice that there is quite a lot of reflections going on here, but on the Celestial Blue version, it is very nice matte back. Now, on the sides here, notice that the colors are also a little bit different here. We have a silver sides on the Celestial Blue version and gray sides on the gray version. So that's also something that you need to take note of. But this looks absolutely stunning, guys. It looks very, very good here. Notice that on the edges here as well, it is a little bit more shinier than the back panel itself. Very, very cool color. If you are going to buy the 11T Pro, you guys definitely have to check out this super sick color on the 11T Pro. It's called again the Celestial Blue, and yes, it does change from side to side here. Also must point out that we still get the company information at the bottom left corner right here. Not too big a deal because yes, this color is just so stunning. Once more, let me show you guys very quickly around the phone itself. At the bottom here, you do get your Type-C port as well as the speakers. It's all in chrome, and if you move on to the sides here, you do get this very matte-ish kind of silver sides. Moving back to the top here again, you have a bit more chrome here at the top with the Harman Kardon speakers printing on the top here. And back to the other side, this is where you get your volume rocker, this is where you get your power button, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you caught what I just showed you very quickly, and the top and bottom, it is a chrome finish, but on the sides, on the right and left, it is a silver matte finish. Again, I'm going to show you guys the back panel once more. This is what you can expect with the Celestial Blue version of the 11T Pro. Very, very nice and smooth to the touch. Really, really awesome. Alright, so just before I go, again, just to recap my experience with the 11T Pro that I've been using for a couple of weeks now. I mean, this grey guy right here. So far, it has been a very pleasant experience. Everything has been very smooth, very fast, and definitely enjoying the super smooth experience of the Snapdragon 888, that 120Hz Super AMOLED display that also goes at 480Hz touch sampling rate. The cameras at the back are also great, 108 megapixels. Let me show you guys once more a couple of photos that I took with this main sensor right here. Very, very clear photos on this guy. Yes, I'm just powering up the device, by the way. And of course, you also get very loud speakers both on the top and at the bottom. Again, guys, at this price here, you're getting a very, very decent smartphone here with the 11T Pro. Just don't forget to check out my other videos if you want to find out the full review. If you want to find out the comparison with other phones, you can just go on to the channel right here and maybe you'll find something that will help you out. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Just the unboxing of the Celestial Blue 11T Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to sub to the channel. And I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye!